Hello kids, welcome to our learning time. Today we will learn something very useful. All kids excited. Saving money. What is money? Money helps us buy things like food, toys, books. Money is important, so we must use it wisely. What does saving mean? Saving means keeping some money for later. Instead of spending all your money, you save a little. Saving helps you reach your goals. How to save money? Easy ways to save money. Use a piggy bank. Save part of your pocket money. Don't buy things you don't need. Small savings grow big. Saving example. Ollie wants candy every day, but he saves his money to buy a toy. Ollie waits patiently and feels proud. Spend versus save. Let's think. If you get money, what should you do? Spend all of it. B. Save some of it. Yes, saving some money is smart. Saving game. Let's play. If you want a big toy later, should you save a little every week? Yes, that's smart saving. Why saving is important. Saving money helps you buy something special. Learn patience. Be responsible. Saving makes you smart and strong. Always remember kids, all together. Save a little today. Enjoy a lot tomorrow. Keep saving. Keep smiling. See you next time.